completing and selling products. Lincoln Company completed jobs that cost $38,000 to produce. In the same period, the company sold jobs for $88,000 that cost $42,000 to produce. Prepare the journal entries for the completion and sales of the jobs. All sales are on account. So we'll start out with completing jobs that cost $38,000. And since they're completed, that means we're moving them out of WIP and into finished goods. And so to do that, we need to debit our finished goods inventory, which is an asset account, so we're increasing it by debiting it. And we need to credit our WIP inventory, which is also an asset account. So it's really just a movement from the WIP asset into the finished goods asset. And so I like to think of raw materials, WIP, finished goods as rooms, and we're just moving the products really just moving the products through those different rooms. And so we've now moved them into finished goods for $38,000. So that one's taken care of. And then we need to also sell these jobs for $88,000 that had a cost of $42,000. And so you have to flash back to accounting 1. Anytime we sell a product, there's 2 transactions that take place. One that records the sales revenue, and the other that records the actual cost of that material or that product. So to first record the revenue, it says it was on account, so we're going to debit accounts receivable, and we're going to credit sales revenue for $88,000. So that takes care of the sales revenue portion, but we have to also remove this out of our inventory and record the expense associated with it. So we're going to debit our cost of goods sold, which you might remember from accounting 1 is one of the largest expenses for most companies, retailing companies anyways, and a credit to finished goods inventory because we are taking them out of inventory and decreasing that asset account for $42,000. And that's it. The only thing I might also mention is that if the sale happened for cash rather than on account, our debit here would have been cash rather than accounts receivable.